So this question came in 2021 of GATE in production engineering, and it's a 2-mark question. Okay, so let's look into this closely. The number of minutes spent by two students X and Y exercising every day in a given week are shown in the bar chart above. The number of days in given week in which one of the students spent at least a minimum of 10% more than the other student on a given day. It's very simple. What you have to do is you have to calculate max minus minimum divided by minimum into 100. So this ratio should be less than 10. Oh sorry, this ratio should be greater than 10%. Okay, let's see that. So for that, 65 minus 55 is 10 divided by minimum is 55. So it is definitely greater than 10. Okay, so this is 1. 10 divided by 50. So it is still greater than 10%. Okay, because it's 20%. 2. 35 minus 20, that means 15 divided by 20, that is definitely more than 10%. And here the 55 divided by 5, so it will be nice, something like 9.1. so it is not. So Thursday is not the day. Here same 10 by 50, here same 10 by 55. Here the gap is huge, it is 35 by 45. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of days, and 6 is the option C, which is correct answer. Thank you very much. Please share, subscribe.